Struggling to figure out if Ally Bank's interest rates are truly competitive? Are you leaving money on the table with your current bank? You've probably heard a lot of buzz about online banks offering better rates than traditional brick-and-mortar institutions. Ally Bank is a prime example, consistently showing up on lists for high-yield savings and certificates of deposit, or CDs. But, let's get specific, how does Ally really stack up against the competition? When we talk about comparison, we're mainly looking at two groups, the big, national banks, and other online high-yield options. First, the big guys. Think Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo. On an average, traditional savings accounts at these banks offer interest rates that are often near zero, sometimes as low as 0.01% APY. In contrast, Ally Bank's online savings account typically offers an APY that is significantly higher, many times the national average. If you're keeping a substantial emergency fund or a long-term savings goal at a big bank, you are likely missing out on hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in interest over time. Ally clearly wins here. Now, let's look at their true competitors, other leading online banks, such as Marcus by Goldman Sachs or Capital One 360. In this tier, the rates are much closer. For example, Ally's high-yield savings APY is generally competitive, often matching or sitting just a fraction below the absolute highest rates on the market. Where Ally really differentiates itself isn't just a single rate, but the overall package. On CDs, Ally offers a variety of terms and types, like their Raise Your Rate CD or No Penalties CD, which provides flexibility that many competitors don't. Their standard CD rates are usually in the same competitive range as other top online banks. And for checking, Ally's interest checking account offers an APY that, while not a high-yield savings rate, is still higher than what most traditional banks pay on their savings accounts, making it excellent for daily use funds. So, the short answer is, Ally's interest rates are extremely competitive compared to traditional banks, and they hold their own very well against other top-tier online banks. While you might find a marginally higher rate elsewhere at any given moment, Ally's combination of high rates, no minimum deposit requirements, and low fees makes it one of the strongest, most consistent players in the online banking space. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.